Miran Castle, one of the spectacular and magnificent place in Gulistan, is located in 12 kilometers south of Ramiyan and Aliabad Katul. This castle is surrounded by beautiful and eye-catching landscape. It is said that this castle was one of the Parthian dynasty's capital. In the past, this haunted castle was used for shelter due to its perfect location. There are magnificent and beautiful attributes of Miran Castle. The way towards top is another source of its beauty. Rami Peak is in the southern city of Gulistan province. It can take 1 or 2 days to reach the destination for an enthusiastic person to go from mountain forest to the flat space on the top. There are several ways to reach the top Miran. One way to South Ramiyan is the road towards the village of Pagale, Gulistan, which is 1150 meters high. It is continuously dirt road of 2 kilometers or less.